Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my Hummer H2. This will be the part 2 replacing O2 sensor. So please watch part 1, how to replace oxygen sensor upstream and downstream on passenger side. On the driver side it's a little tedious. When you're replacing your sensor you have to get under your truck. It's really easy to change it if you follow the steps. In case if you're doing the DIY work, all the parts, the tools, what I have used to complete my job, please check under the description. This is the tool we're going to use with our oxygen sensor. This is a special tool. The way it works, the wiring goes inside of this and then this gets mounted on the oxygen sensor and then we crank it open. And as for tightening the torque, it says do the hand tight and then do the 3/4 turn. And this is how it looks, the upstream connector, and this is how it looks downstream connector. And then you need a ratchet, extension, and the sockets. That's all tools you need. So this is on the driver side. So you crank it open, you insert the socket. Once you crack it open, then you can do it with the hand. You take the socket off. This is a little tricky. So now you turn it with the hand and it will open it. And this is the upstream. This one is a little harder comparatively on a passenger side because this one is a little up. So that's how you take it out. And now we're going to unplug the wire. That's how we're going to put back the new one. And this is the back of the catalytic converter. This is the downstream. So we're going to crank it open and then we're going to take it out and we're going to unplug from the wiring and we're going to plug it back. On the driver side, you have to get under the Hummer in order to do it. So the new one we insert it and just keep doing the hand tight. One tip I wanted to share with you that when you're installing these O2 sensor, don't plug it in. If you plug it in, then it will be harder because the wire you're rotating it's not good. You need the wire to move freely as you're tightening it. And as you can see, it's a hand tighten. Now we're going to use the socket and a 3/4 turn, and we're going to do the 3/4 turn. That's good enough. And now once we tighten the O2 sensor, now you can plug in the wire. So that's the tip I want to share with you. So this is my upstream and downstream sensors. When you're installing it, it's a good idea not to plug in the connector. You install it first. Once you're tightening your sensor, then plug in the connector. So I hope this video is going to help you out. And in case if you need to check the sensor side sensors upstream and downstream, please check my part 1 video. And if you like this video and it help you in any way, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps. Thank you and bye-bye.